Have you ever dreamed of publishing your own book, but felt overwhelmed by the process? Maybe you've heard that you need an agent, a traditional publisher, or industry connections. The truth is, today's publishing world looks very different than it did even a decade ago. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Self-Publishing, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. At its core, self-publishing means taking control of the publishing process yourself, from writing and editing to formatting, distribution, and marketing. Instead of waiting for approval from a traditional publishing house, authors can now bring their work directly to readers. Today, we'll break down what self-publishing really is, how it works behind the scenes, and why so many writers are choosing this path. The first key idea is ownership and control. In traditional publishing, authors often give up certain rights in exchange for distribution and support. With self-publishing, you retain creative control over your manuscript, cover design, pricing, and release schedule. If you want to publish a niche nonfiction guide, a personal memoir, or a genre-blending novel, you don't have to convince anyone of its market potential first. You decide. The takeaway is simple. Self-publishing empowers authors to steer their own creative vision. Second, quality still matters, perhaps more than ever. Some people mistakenly believe self-publishing means skipping professional standards. In reality, successful independent authors invest in editing, proofreading, and cover design. Readers judge books quickly, especially online where thumbnails and reviews influence buying decisions. A well-edited manuscript and professional cover can instantly build credibility. The insight here is that independence doesn't replace quality. It demands it. Another important concept is accessibility of distribution. Platforms like Amazon have transformed how books reach readers through services such as Kindle Direct Publishing. With a few clicks, authors can make their books available globally in ebook, paperback, and sometimes hardback formats. Print-on-demand technology means books are printed only when ordered, eliminating the need for large upfront inventory. The quick takeaway: global distribution is no longer limited to major publishing houses. Fourth, self-publishing is both creative and entrepreneurial. Writing the book is only part of the journey. Authors also think about metadata, keywords, categories, pricing strategies, and marketing plans. For example, choosing the right book category can significantly improve discoverability. Marketing might involve building an email list, using social media, or speaking directly to a niche community. The lesson is clear. Successful self-publishers think like business owners as well as writers. Another key element is speed and flexibility. Traditional publishing timelines can stretch over years. Self-publishing allows authors to move at their own pace. If you want to update your book, change the cover, adjust the description, or revise content based on feedback, you can do so quickly. This agility is especially valuable for nonfiction topics that evolve over time. The memorable insight: self-publishing adapts as fast as you do. Next, royalties and income potential differ significantly. In many traditional contracts, authors receive a small percentage of each sale. Self-publishing platforms often offer higher royalty rates per unit sold. While sales aren't guaranteed, authors keep a larger share of revenue for each copy. Over time, multiple books can create a portfolio of income streams. The key takeaway is that self-publishing shifts both the responsibility and the reward to the author. Another important idea is long-term branding. Each book contributes to your identity as an author. Whether you write how-to guides, fiction series, or personal development books, consistency builds recognition. Readers who enjoy one book are more likely to purchase another. Self-publishing allows you to develop a cohesive brand voice, visual style, and message without external restrictions. The insight here: publishing one book is an event. Building an author brand is a strategy. To see how these elements connect, imagine a writer who has expertise in a specific niche, perhaps fitness for busy professionals. Instead of pitching agents for months, they write a focused guide, hire an editor, design a strong cover, and publish digitally. They share helpful content online, build a small audience, and gradually gain reviews. Over time, they release additional books expanding on related topics. What started as a single idea evolves into a growing body of work and a personal brand. When you step back, self-publishing is not just about printing a book. It's about empowerment, responsibility, and opportunity. It combines creativity, technology, and entrepreneurship into one accessible pathway for writers. Understanding self-publishing removes the mystery and replaces it with clarity about what's possible. You don't need permission to share your story. You need preparation and action. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Self-Publishing, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.